or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter now. Get to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for central Coryell County in central Texas until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southwest of Gatesville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Gatesville and Fort Gates around 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include South Mountain. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.